CBS 2 News with Diann Burns, Antonio Mora, meteorologist Steve Baskerville with the CBS 2 Weather Track Forecast, and Mark Malone, CBS 2 News, National Emmy Award winner for news coverage.
Thousands of patients say they're out of luck tonight. Coming up, the new healthcare struggle and what's to blame.
Part of a hospital on the south side is closed tonight, and many of the patients don't know what to do. CBS 2's Katie McCall reports on a woman in a struggle to find health care.
Carolyn Pearson has been coping with crippling arthritis for nearly 10 years. Lately, the problem has gotten worse.
I have to go every 3 months to get a shot in my knee.
She received that care at the orthopedic clinic at Provident Hospital, and that's where she was planning to undergo knee replacement surgery. But 3 weeks ago, citing the $130 million budget cut by County Board President Todd Stroger, Cook County closed the clinic.
I came home and I cried. I didn't eat all that day.
Patients from Provident will now have to go to Stroger Hospital. Pearson, who relies on a special van for transportation, says a trip to that hospital from her Southeast Side home would take half a day.
Where am I going to go? I don't have health insurance.
Doctors who worked at Provident say the county is making a big financial mistake by closing the clinic. They insist it was a money maker.
Even with minimal billing, they've been billing over $1 million a year for orthopedic clinic services and $1 million for rehab.
Dr. Diann Ivankovich says the county has mismanaged its billing department, leaving tens of millions of dollars in billable procedures untouched.
All they had to do was spend a little bit of time allocating billers to the accounts, helping patients get on public aid. And there's just tremendous money that's due the Provident Hospital that they haven't gotten.
Carolyn Pearson calls that irresponsible and says the county has turned its back on people like her.
I'm very worried. I'm very worried.
The county doctor who made the decision to close the Provident clinic said there was no alternative to shutting it down. However, after hearing from angry doctors and patients, a county spokesperson now tells us the county is evaluating a plan to reopen that clinic, but only on a part-time basis. Katie McCall, CBS 2 News.
Seafood